Everyone, we're at the Lake Lodi Wildlife Area Trail in Lodi, California.
Sven, we still have miles to hike. Bless, best place to hike for family. Kids, safe for kids. The trail is paved, surrounded with wild plants, and some have animals here too. It's very safe for everybody. It's the best place for hike for family. You can do biking, but walking, but the dogs are not allowed here. These are trail markers, so from 1 to 18 we did. The coast redwood. This is the redwood. They are in number 2 right now. The locals. These 3 stores, 8 months remind us of this already. There's a locust tree here. Here next. This is the blackberry. Tree number 3. The blackberry. This tiny plant forms dense tangles that are important as well as how to eat them. Look carefully. There's a blackberry as well. Yes. Next point is willow. Willow loves water. These trees are within a narrow pointed leaves are found near water throughout the valley. Willows are a favorite food of beavers, deer, and rabbits. Native Americans.
An interesting planted forest of various varieties of native and non-native trees. Quiet, peaceful, handicap ready trail. Some being carried by Daddy. No dogs are allowed here, so we have to leave him behind.
This trail is a very good for family hiking. This it's flat, wide, safe for the kids, safe for everybody. Yeah. Here's a big lake. It was properly named by a domestic pigs once living in the area. Much of this year is covered with a very tiny ball-shaped plants called wolfia. In late fall and winter, it is carpeted by a reddish floating water and called azolla. Both of these are true plants, not smelly algae. Greenhorns, wood turtles, and ducks can be found in this area.
What does this sign say? What number? Very good. This is called sledges. See these plants here, Tim? They're called a sledge. They have sharp edges to the leaves. They grow year-round using underground stem spread. Many different kind of plants of the sledge family. Famous one, papyrus, was used in ancient Egypt to make paper. Local sledges include the common tule, found their sign of slewgrass.
Wild.
Grape.
What's the this a wild grape
That's
here?
what's growing in the tree. See the vines growing up in the trees here? All along here?
Mm-hmm.
That's wild grapes right here. They're there. They're everywhere. Kind of a nuisance. Wild grape grows along streams and rivers throughout the valley. It grows 60 foot long, climbing high into trees. Local Native Americans use to wrap fruit for roasting. The stringy bark for twine. They used to wrap fruit for roasting, stringy bark for twine, and dried fruit as food. Huh, I didn't know you could eat it.
And in number 12, we have the mosquitoes. Yeah, mosquitoes are hung upside down from the water surface. What is that?
Eating water animals and plants.
Eating tiny water and animals and plants. Adults have plants, uses adult animals. Anyway, we're in number 12.
Adult females look for blood for the protein for their eggs made of.
Is that good? This is not good for number 12. It's a
Right
mosquito,
here, see the water?
mosquito area.
Mosquito pond there.
It's a mosquito pond there. That's why they put it in number 12. Mosquitoes. 13.
What number is it? 10, 13.
13. Oh no, what to
And
say?
in number 13, it's a cottonwood trees.
See this name, Fremont. Cottonwood is named from Fremont. They wrote down in 1844.
Can I rub
Dominant trees along the waterways. And hate each other in various traditions of pleasant sight and display.
Can I rub it?
I know. Are you kidding me?
The valley oak.
Big.
13.
You can actually see this is a valley oak. See how it loses its leaves?
Mm-hmm.
And that is a live oak, and it still has its leaves. You can also see the different bark.
15, and then number 15 is the river, the Mekamoni River. And number 16,
Stream.
stream, plants in the nature.
A frog.
Area are always green because their roots can easily reach water. A stream is formed from water sinking through the ground from nearby river. Look closely to find some of many animals that live in and near the stream. It's a stream.
Hey, Daddy.
I've never actually heard of the word before.
Right now, there's a stream. Trail number 17. The boat. There's a boat coming. Did you hear that? What number, Sven? We're in number 18.
What to say?
And in number 18, we are the stewards of the nature world. You can see few cities are fortunate enough to have natural area within their boundaries. I encourage you, please visit to discover the nature secret. Please help us preserved by area living is and disturbed as possible. Take nothing natural away, leave nothing unnatural behind. So we're in the last trail, Sven. Where does your water come from? Lodi Park. So they have a decent size lake here. So it's very nice to have a family bonding here. It's a very nice place. It's quiet, not too crowded.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. You like it? Yeah. Love you, little boy. See, he's in a kayak. That's just like us. You and I kayak really well together, don't we? Who's the winner? You, yeah.
Look at the geese, Fan.
Look how big they are. And they're noisy. Sometimes they're going to find food.
We didn't know what lake is this, but it's still parts of the Lodi Lake.
Have a reason why. I don't know what river this is, my love. I'm looking to see what river this is.
Yeah, it's a nice place to kayak here, my love. The water is kind of calm here.
Okay, you ready? Are
Mm-hmm.
you still recording?
Yeah.
Hello everyone, we're still in Lodi in the Wilderness Park. This is a kayak path. These kayakers we saw earlier are now coming up the creek. We will come back here and kayak sometime. I do not know the name of the river, but it's quite nice and peaceful.